Alright guys, let's see what's in this box. There's a piece of tape right here. Oh, is it one of those? I guess it is one of those. Let's do that. There's one on the other side, so almost wrecked the box. Don't wreck the box. Use your eyes. Alright, let's do that. Pull. Ooh, it looks pretty well packaged. You are greeted with the instructions on the bottom of the package. As you can see there. I'm sure that it's a brilliant read. Riveting read. This is the... interesting stuff. Let's see how to get this out. And I'll see you all in the next one, where hopefully I'll be able to get this out. Wow, look at that. It's not easy.
Likey